Hi everybody. So you've just finished wiring in a new plug socket, or maybe even you've moved into a new house, you plug in your TV and nothing happens. Or even worse, the metal casing feels slightly tingly, indicating some kind of wiring fault. Remember, electrical faults are pretty much invisible, but they can be very deadly. This is the Kewtech KEWCHECK103 Socket Tester. It doesn't just show you lights, it absolutely screams at you if there's something wrong. Today, I'm going to show you how to read it, tell you why it's better than the cheaper versions, and the one dangerous fault that most testers miss, but this one doesn't. Now, you can buy a basic socket tester for about £5 or so at bargain places online. They usually have 3 lights, but no audio warnings. The problem, if you're testing a socket under a desk or in a dark corner, you can't really see the lights properly, and so you need to hear what's going on. The Kewtech 103 has got a high output buzzer. It's also programmed to detect 14 different wiring conditions. That's double what most of the basic testers can handle. When you plug it in, this is what you want to see and hear. 3 green lights and a solid, continuous tone. This means your live, neutral, and earth are all present and in the right place. But what if something is wrong? Now, for this demo, I'm going to disconnect the earth to the socket on purpose, and then that's going to give us a fault warning with lights and audio. So if you hear a warbling tone, you know you've got a fault. Then you just need to look on the front to see what fault you've got. And you can see here that my fault being indicated is that there is a earth issue. Now, if I put that all back, put the socket back on the wall and retest it, I'm getting my solid audio tone and 3 green lights to tell me that all is well. I've put a link to the Kewtech 103 in the video description below, along with a link to my full blog post over at builtbypete.net, where I've listed all 14 fault conditions and what they mean. If this helped you stay safe, hit that like button and subscribe for more serious DIY and smart home tech videos. I'll see you in the next build. Cheers, everyone.